Boxing is a high-intensity sport that includes a set of exercises. It's deservingly regarded as one of the toughest and most dangerous sports. However, despite this, it also offers numerous health benefits. In this video, I'll go over how boxing can change your body. So make sure to watch the entire video. It will be interesting. Now let's start. Boxing and its variations are currently becoming more accessible to a wider audience. Those days are long gone when training was only limited to improving performance in the rings. A series of boxing exercises can be quite beneficial as they can improve cardiovascular and respiratory system performance as well as help in developing endurance. But there's a risk involved when boxing partners inflict interest on each other while sparring. It can cause serious health issues. Receiving frequent hits to the head can lead to the central nervous system to break down in the future. Therefore, paired training should only be done under the supervision of a qualified coach. On top of that, those who don't want to spoil their health and looks, it's preferable to stick to non-contact boxing activities, where punches are practiced only on a punching bag. For those who are not aiming to reach sporting heights and titles, but plan to use boxing techniques just to develop their own bodies, there are specific guidelines for this sport. Exercises take place in smart and comfortable gyms with all the necessary protective gear, and the universal approach of different trainers helps to achieve the results you desire. For instance, to improve the muscular system, to build strength and agility without suffering from harmful injuries. As evidence, here are some health advantages of boxing that you will experience with regular training. Boxing is unique as it combines both aerobic and anaerobic exercises. Exercises involving aerobics place more load on the cardiovascular system. As a result, this increases the blood flow to the muscles and lungs, causing the body to release endorphins. This is why aerobic exercise helps people lose weight and reduces their chance of developing cardiovascular and other chronic illnesses. In addition to sparring, boxing lessons also involve exercises such as sprinting, circuit training, and jumping rope, all of which are great ways to strengthen your cardiovascular system. If you're new to boxing or exercise in general, it's important not to start with intense training. Instead, speak with a trainer and select a mode that suits your comfort level. As we get older, our joints can become weaker, leading to a higher risk of fractures and pain, not just during exercise but in daily activities too. It's a good idea to address this issue early, even before it appears, with the help of physical activity. In boxing, you'll need to train your legs and arms for basic exercises, which can help strengthen your joints. Improved coordination is another great benefit of boxing. During training, you'll not only learn how to move quickly, but also keep an eye on the punching bag and your own punches. However, don't let your fear of injury stop you from boxing. Injuries can happen in yoga classes as well. Nobody is going to throw you into a ring with opponents right away. First, you'll practice with the punching bag, work on your coordination, jump rope, and so on. Working out at the gym doesn't give the desired results. Try boxing. It provides a balanced workout for your entire body, including your arms, legs, back, abs, and even buttocks. With exercises like jumps, squats, kicks, and punches, you'll see noticeable results in a short time. Boxing helps tone your muscles and achieve a lean body without needing extra weights. Plus, you can burn between 400 to 700 calories per hour on average. Obviously, the results depend on how intense and what type of exercise you do, but combining cardio and strength training will help you lose weight and can lead to noticeable improvement in the appearance of the body. In addition, intense exercises like boxing can also boost your metabolism. As I mentioned before, boxing strengthens the cardiovascular system and straightens muscles. As a result, this increases the overall endurance of the body. As you get used to this sort of exercise, it becomes less difficult for your body to endure all kinds of difficult exercise, and it becomes easier for your heart and lungs to pump blood and oxygen more efficiently to your muscles. This implies that they can carry the load for longer without getting tired as quickly. Your breathing will also get better, which will make it easier for you to walk long distances. It's a proven fact that doing any type of aerobic activity, including boxing, can improve your mood, sleep quality, and self-esteem. The most important benefit of boxing is stress reduction, besides improving your fitness level. Punching a bag or sparring in the ring can be an effective way of releasing negative emotions and anger. When you exercise, your brain releases serotonin, which makes you feel happy. Therefore, prepare to go to the gym or go for a run at the first sign of weakness and impending sadness. You don't need to become a professional boxer if you decide to actively engage in this sport. Training and sparring will help you quickly get fit and stay in shape. And after a long day at work, you can release all your negative emotions in the ring. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found this video useful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos.